Introducing this 2009 Honda Odyssey EXL conversion van. Offering a Rolex in-floor automatic ramp and kneel system. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter V6 engine and around 104,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your sliding door will open or close, and your ramp system will stow or deploy. Featuring both front driver and passenger removable seats and a sunroof. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2009 Honda Odyssey EXL conversion van. Call AutoMobility store today and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.